This is the school.
Okay.
This is the bank. These are houses that don't exist. We're gonna run out of the school into the getaway car. Into the getaway car. We drive the getaway car both ways to the bank.
Your map is flawed, sir.
And he's gonna get into costume.
It's still flawed.
And then we go into the bank. And we cash the check. Any question?
No.
Good. And then we'll get this as our cut. This will be our cut. First thing we need to do is break into the school. I think you're doing it wrong.
It's not working.
I think you're doing it wrong. It's not working.
Dude, you gotta do it like this.
Whoa, 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 whoa. All you guys are doing it wrong. What you gotta do is this.
And that's where your inside man comes in.
Yes.
Mr. Adams, I just don't think you understand. High school is so hard, and I'm really struggling right now.
It's always important to have somebody to talk to. I'm glad you came in here today.
I'm really glad that I came. You're always just so willing to listen, and nothing is a distraction.
Hold that thought. Hello? Yeah. Yeah, no, I'm not doing anything important. Yeah, I'll be right there. All right, bye. I'm so sorry. I'll be right back. Guys, I left it unlocked.
We're in. Everybody, get your game face on.
Once we're in, we need to sneak our way to the check.
Smells like up dog. Dude, what's up dog?
Not much. How about you?
Did we just become best friends?
I think we did.
Dude, okay, so now that we're best friends, I gotta know more about you. What's your name?
My name's Brady.
I'm Drew.
Really? I didn't know that.
You didn't know that.
We need to avoid Edgar because he keeps a tight watch on that check.
I got the check.
Whoa, dude.
Hey!
What?
They got the check.
He's coming! Stop!
Check is gone. Did you guys get it? Are you clear?
Did you know about this, Adams?
No.
Tell me!
No about. What?
Tell me, Adams!
I don't know what you're talking about.
Inside man, inside man. Inside man. Are you there? Inside man.
And then hopefully everything goes smooth and we can walk away with the cash. After we get into the bank, we need to walk in business casual. We would like to cash this check.
Oh, okay. Well, let me see what I can do.
Is there a problem?
It's not probably going to fit through my scanner.
That's an issue.
I would say it's a very big issue.
I'm going to have to make a quick phone call to see if I can clear this, okay?
I think we've been discovered. Get out of here. a sucker.
So no sucker though?
Probably not.
There you go.
Put your foot up.
All right. Hold on, rookie. This is my jurisdiction.
Not so fast.
Well, wait, what? What's that? No, I swear. I'm with the health department.
Health department.
I'm with the health department.
All right.
I'm with the health department.